because this week we had a lot of big oil and oil services talking about where oil is going. Total and Weatherford said that they see the recovery slipping, and it could take till the end of the decade until we actually have better times in the industry. What's your call?
So look, I wish I had a crystal ball as well.
Come on, you do something.
Definitely what you're seeing is the pundits are calling lower for longer. When we look at the macro trend, and that's really where we're focused, there is the demand for electricity, there's demand for oil and gas, and so macro trend, we see positive still. And our big focus at Baker Hughes, a G company, is literally in driving productivity. We've brought together these two companies to enable us to go full stream and help our customers on the productivity side. So irrespective of what happens from a cost perspective and the price of oil, they're able to go forward with their projects.
But how do you model, say, a profit outlook for the short term on that?
So again, if you look at the demand side, you are seeing positive demand. And so as you go forward, you should start to see more activity pick up. And it's all a question, again, of driving that productivity in the services and also the equipment that we provide to them so that they can be efficient at any price per barrel.
And the real story for oil services had to have been the massive cost deflation that we saw in the downturn. I mean, down as much as 40, 50%. Do you expect to recoup 40, 50% once the market stabilizes, or is it going to be less?
So I think you've got to look at a new way of doing things. What you've seen happen is deflation definitely came down, and that was really just going out there and giving a lot of price cuts. We've got to change the way in which we work and the way in which we collaborate with our customers and new ways of doing things. So what we're focused on is really defining the space differently. Instead of just going for deflation, which I think we're not going to be able to do, it's not sustainable when you look at some of the raw materials going in. We've got to look at data analytics. How do you marry the data capability and start to drive non-productive time down? How do you increase production rates? That's what we're focused on at BHG, and you can already start to see it. Data, only 1% of the data that's available within the oil patch is actually used today. And also, if you look at non-productive time, you've got over 50% non-productive time in certain areas. So how do we connect the value chain to decrease that non-productive time?